Hello, grade 6 students, and welcome to this lesson of Module 3, which is Quiz Part 1. To be able to follow me, please bring your students' books and have them opened on page 31, your workbooks on page 26. And of course, don't forget to bring your pen and a blank sheet of paper to take notes. As usual, you need to know why you're watching this video. In other words, what are the learning objectives of this lesson? Number 1, learn 9 new words. And number 2, read a quiz to respond to 5 questions. Let's start with this picture, and let me ask you, what can you see on it? Thank you. Some of you will say, I see icons. What icons? Facebook like, gallery icon, camera, settings, and so on. So, if we start our lesson today with a picture like this, what do you think today's lesson is about? Well done. It's about the internet. And here comes the next question. Why do people use the internet? Can you think about that? Of course. People use the internet for shopping, for contacting people, or for getting information. After we knew why people use the internet, it's time to know how do people use the internet. In fact, people use the internet through surfing a website like Amazon.com on their computers, or using an app on their mobile devices like the Amazon app. So, let's have a look at these apps on a phone, and let me ask you a question. How can we use an app like this? Good. First of all, you need to be connected to the internet. In other words, you need to be online. Also, you need to have an account to use an app like WhatsApp or Microsoft Teams. Any account that you may have must have a username and a password in order to be able to use it. Let's go back to this application we need to use, which is WhatsApp. And let me ask you this question. How do we communicate on WhatsApp? In fact, to communicate on WhatsApp, you may chat with people through typing a message or talking to them. Also, you can upload a file from your phone to the internet in order to send to people, or download a file from the internet to your mobile device through WhatsApp. And now it's time to go to a different word from this lesson, but we're still connected to the internet and to technology. The word digital that you see here. Digital means showing information in the form of electronic image. For example, a digital camera like this, a digital alarm clock like this one. And now it's time for revision. Let's revise today's vocabulary that we have learned till now. This picture is the picture of, thank you, website. This one represents, excellent, an app. And this one is a sign of online. What's that? Thank you, it's an account. And this one represents a password. This one, thank you, digital. Number 7, chat. Well done. Number 8, download. And the last one, upload. Thank you. Assessment time. Here we have an exercise which is label the pictures using the words given. In other words, match each word to the suitable picture. Let's read the words together. Website, account, chat, download, digital, and app. Let's do number 1 together. The first picture represents, thank you, a website. And now it's time for you to pause the video till you finish matching each of the 5 words to the 5 pictures. Back again. Picture number 2, it's download. Good job. Picture number 3, excellent. Account. Picture number 4, digital. Number 5, chat. And the last one is app. Here we finished this exercise, and let's move on to see what we have next. Workbook. Please go to your workbook, page 26, especially exercise 1. Read and complete using the words in the box. Before we answer, let's read the words together. Website, app, account, password, chat, digital, online, upload, and download. Let's have number 1 as a model to follow. Number 1. Were you, space, last night? I wanted to, space, with you. Would you think about that? Thank you and well done. Were you online last night? I wanted to chat with you. Now it's your turn to pause the video till you finish filling in the remaining gaps using the words in the box. Back again to check. Number 2. I forgot my email, thank you, password, and I couldn't check my emails. Number 3. Did you upload your project on time? Yes, I did. Number 4. I got a digital camera from my parents. Number 5. John, check out this new app. You can learn about different places. Number 6. You can see the prices of all the food and drinks on the restaurant's new website. That's it. Number 7. Have you got an email account? I want to send you something. The last sentence is, you can buy and download games from this site. Good job for all of you. It's time now to go back to your student's book, page 31, because we're going to work on exercise 2, the quiz. Do the quiz, read and circle. The title of this quiz is, How much do you know about digital safety? This quiz aims at helping you know how far you are safe while using the internet by checking your current knowledge of digital safety. This quiz, as you see, consists of 5 yes/no questions that you need to answer honestly based on what you may do in these situations if you face them. Let's have the first situation and read it together as a model. You are surfing the net and you meet someone new online. Is it okay to give him your address or telephone number? Oh, one of you will say, yes, it's okay. And another one may say, no, it's not okay. So each one of you will answer each question based on what he thinks is correct. Now, pause the video till you finish the remaining questions. Back again. If the majority of your answers are A's, so you need to read this box carefully. Let's read it together. You must be careful. Don't download things from websites you know nothing about. Don't upload your photos to the internet or give your personal information and password to anyone. But if the majority of your answers are B's, then you need to read this box. Let's read it. Well done. You are very careful. You never send your photos or your personal information to people you don't know. Remember that you must always follow the digital safety rules. To sum up, follow the digital safety rules while using the internet in order to stay safe. Thank you for following us and stay safe.